Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are going to talk about this hot button issue of panic buying toilet paper in this video. And if you haven't been doing any toilet paper deals in months, I'm going to share three at three different stores with you at the very end. You may or may not be able to find them in the store, probably depending where you live. So, the panic buying of toilet paper is back in the news and it's really revving up. What I recommend is for you to go to a news website that you trust and do a little bit of your own research. It has to do with the port strike and how goods will be shipped into the US and how it's going to just take a it's going to threaten these possible shortages in the future. This strike started on a Tuesday, and people are going really hard for the toilet paper. And it's kind of curious to me because most of the toilet paper is manufactured either in Canada or the US. If you look at the P&G toilet paper, so that's actually trucked. It's actually manufactured here. It's not coming from a container from China. So I don't know, guys. It's confusing. My 2 cent theory here, guys, and you can take it or leave it or fight with me in the comments down below. I don't think this is going to go on very long, especially with an election next month. I think this is probably going to get resolved within a couple of weeks, if not sooner. So yesterday I did a little bit of journalism in the evening, and I went to both Walmart and Walgreens and just looked around the toilet paper aisle like, are they really clear? And people are just not doing that here in the Midwest. There's still a whole lot. I know that I have a really good friend who lives up in Lansing, and her mom could not find toilet paper on Tuesday evening. She wanted paper towel. She couldn't find it, but depending where you live, northern Michigan, take a look at this. We're not in a pandemic where you're going to be locked in your house, so people are not clearing. Although Walgreens, there were a couple empty little slots, but who knows? Maybe it was a popular toilet paper that people wanted. I don't know. Or somebody just wanted a little bit of extra. But I think if you remember from March of 2020, this would have been completely empty. It wouldn't be looking like this at 8 or 9 o'clock at night. So if you are a follower of my YouTube channel, you know that every couple of weeks, I've always been really keen on making videos that are only about paper products at Walgreens. And if you have been doing a couple deals here, a couple deals there, you probably have the stockpile already built for yourself and your family. So rest assured that if things do get crazy and the prices increase or whatever they want to throw against us, you're going to be fine. You are going to be fine. And a lot of us, I ran downstairs. What do I have? What do I don't have? I'm doing pretty good. And I think most of us probably have a shelf in your stockpile full of paper. So the truth of it is, couponers are already ready because you know what? Behind an extreme couponer, it's a person who likes to prep. So you are ready with the paper products. Now, if this thing continues for, a month plus and people don't want to pay an astronomical price for toilet paper, people might come to you and say, hey, can I have some toilet paper? And that's where you choose and share wisely. Obviously your parents are one thing, but, some person in your life who thinks that couponing is stupid and now they want your stash, I would have no problem saying no. And with these increased prices, I wouldn't panic buy because if you are ready, you don't have to panic buy because you have a stockpile of it. And as stated earlier, I know the plant up in Toronto and Belleville for the P&G products, that toilet paper is trucked all over Canada and then it's trucked into the US because a lot of us that live in the Midwest, we have bilingual packaging. It's in French and in English if you ever take a really good look at it. And a lot of companies, Walgreens, the different pharmacies, Walmart, they've actually stockpiled a bit of toilet paper since the summertime because of the possible looming, is there going to be a strike? Is there not going to be a strike? To keep the shelves full as well. Now, us extreme couponers, we do not buy toilet paper at shelf price. So I have 3 different deals at 3 different stores for the week of right up until the 5th of October. So September the 29th to the 5th. Okay. First store that we have is Walgreens. Grabbing 3 of these Scott products for $15. We have a $1.25 Walgreens coupon. $3.75 will come off. You'll pay $11.25 if you have $10 in Walgreens cash or a register reward to throw in. Do it. Pay $1.25 for 3 products. The next store that we have is CVS. There is this Cottonelle deal to spend 20, get back a $5 extra care buck. Grabbing 2 of these Cottonelles for $21.58. We have a dollar digital. You'd pay $20.78 and get back a $5 extra care buck. Now, if you might have extra care bucks from other deals, obviously throw them in because $20 is a lot out of pocket. Alternatively, IBOTTA also has gift cards for both CVS and Meijer grocery store, the second store we're going to talk about. So to lessen your out of pocket, I mean, I would do that if you had $20 in your Ibotta. And then over at Meijer, this deal is taking place right up until the 5th of October. The Aria toilet paper is $5.99. We have a $3 M perk, making it $2.99. Paying attention for a quick second, that M perk is a $3 off of each. So if you wanted to grab like 2 bags or 3 bags, it'll apply to each of them. And be very mindful, will they have a limitation on how many you can buy? Of course, we're going to pay attention to any sort of, if they have limits on us. But also, most of us extreme couponers probably already have our stash of toilet paper and all paper products. Do you agree with me? Is this going to be a short-lived strike and it's going to be business as usual? Or do you think this is going to go right through Christmas? Let me know in the comments down below. Bye, guys.